Here we are going to look at the second section, which is about digital transformation technologies and cases. Here, I will cover 6 technologies, and for each of the technologies, I will provide 1 or 2 cases. And for each of the cases, I do emphasize on how that case either transform in terms of a business process efficiency or new business model, or transform in terms of providing a new product or new customer experience. And then this section will be concluded with an interactive quiz. The first technology that we are going to look at will be the AI, artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence is a kind of computer technologies that allowed a machine to mimic or to simulate human intelligence. Okay, for example, mimicking how human reasoned, how human make decisions, how human learned, how humans speak, see things, listening, and so on. And then the second technologies that we are going to look at will be augmented reality. Augmented reality is a kind of digital technologies that allow digital element or digital item to overlay on our real world, usually wire or real through some devices, for example, through our smartphone, through our smart glasses. And then blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized distributed digital ledger technologies that record transactions across multiple computers that once the information or transaction is being recorded, information cannot be easily altered, all right, or alter retroactively without getting 51% consensus from the participants in the network of nodes or network of computer or server. The fourth technologies that I will cover will be big data analytics. Big data analytics is actually a computer technologies that allowed a large volume of data to be analyzed using sophisticated techniques. And this large volume of data can be as complex as in various formats. It could be structured data, it could be semi-structured data, or unstructured data format. And then the fifth technologies that I will cover would include cloud computing. And cloud computing is actually a on-demand delivery of computing services over the internet. Okay, and the type of computing service that this cloud computing cover will include, for example, networking, data storage, virtual machines, data analysis, AI computing, and so on. And all these services this pricing will base on the actual volume of the service used. In short, users can actually pay as you go kind of pricing. And then Internet of Things. Okay, it is a network of interconnected physical device with embedded sensor, software, and it could be any other technology, okay, which is meant to collect and exchange data over the internet. All right, an example, it could be a smart thermostat, all right, which used to capture information about temperature, or maybe some sensor, to collect the temperature in an environment.